guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited. I have some products to show you by Rose Forever New York. Do you want to know what's in my boxes? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So both of these boxes just arrived. Rose Forever New York actually sent these to me for review. So thank you so much for sending me your products to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys don't know, Rose Forever New York is an amazing company. I have been getting them for several years, and I think my original is coming up to 4 years now. Let me double check when I posted that one originally. March 28th, 2020 is when I posted that original video of the very first arrangement that I got. So these roses are guaranteed to last 1 year, but I'm living proof that I have them lasting 4+ years. No water, no maintenance. You literally don't do anything but look at them and enjoy them. And I'm, again, living proof that 4+ years and counting, these roses are going to last. So again, they're guaranteed for 1 year, but they're going to keep on going and going and going. And I'm so excited to see how long these are actually going to keep living for, because again, it's for over 4 years now. So long story short, they got a hold of me and they wanted me to know that they have a brand new product now, and I'm super, super excited. That is right here. This is going to be a candle. If you follow me, you know I am a candle hoe through and through. So when they were like, we have some candles now, I'm like, oh, really? Yes, let's go ahead and see. So I'm super excited. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up this one first, since this is their new product. I'm going to show you these. I'm going to open up the flower arrangement that they sent as well. And then I'm going to do my 4+ year update on my original lavender set that I got. Rose Forever New York is a great company to get for any occasion. We have Mother's Day coming up. You have birthdays, anniversaries, baby showers, just because, anything like that. So if you want to check them out, they will all be linked down below, and they gave you guys a better discount code this time. Normally, I think it's like $15 or $20 off. This time they gave you SheCrafty 35, and that will get you $35 off. Never have we gotten that high before, you guys. So I'm so thankful that they gave you a deeper discount to save you guys some money. So if you like to check them out, the link will be below. You can check all of their stuff out. They have small arrangements, medium, large, round, heart-shaped. They have them in clear things where you can stick stuff underneath, like if you want it in your vanity area. They have so many different colors, designs, and styles, and now candles. You can definitely check them out, again, for any occasion. Great gift ideas for yourself or for another. So let's go ahead and dive in. Let's check out this candle. I'm so excited. And we're gonna see what candle we have. Now, they have several different scents. And so I know I said there was 2 different ones I was torn between. So I'm like, surprise me between them. And this, oh my gosh, this is a big candle, you guys. I was kind of curious because this is a big ass box for a candle. So I'm like, either it has amazing packaging in there, which it did because it was protected very, very well. But it's got to be, look at how big this candle is, you guys. Holy moly. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing though. It is a 4-wick. I don't even know if I've ever received a 4-wick. I know I've had 2 and I've had 3, but I don't think I've ever in my entire life had a candle this big before. That is a beautiful like vessel that it's in. So like once you do burn everything, you can keep this glass jar and use it as a vase, or I mean, literally you can use it for anything. That thing is huge. Oh my goodness. It smells absolutely phenomenal though. I cannot wait to burn this. So it does have their logo right here, like on this little sticker, which I'm sure at the end, if you wanted to remove, you could, or just leave it there. But oh, have you guys ever seen a candle this big before? Oh my goodness. And I know like the colors are a little different based on the different scents. So there are a few different variations for like the container that they are in. Just depends on the type of scent that you are looking for. And yes, they did have rose, I believe. And so I definitely stayed clear away from that one. I wanted to go more like citrusy. So if you go to any of their candles and you click on them, it'll tell you all of the notes. So if you are interested in all of the different scents that is inside of it. So for this one right here is the Orange Blossom. This exquisite blend captures the radiant spirit of orange blossoms in full bloom. enveloping your space in a refreshing burst of citrus vitality. Savor the uplifting essence of sun-drenched citrus groves, bringing a touch of Mediterranean bliss into your daily life. So for the top notes, it's lemon, green tea, and lime. The middle notes is jasmine, orange flowers, and mugwort. I'm not sure how you say that. The base notes, it says moss and cedar. The candle size is 6.3 inches and it's 4.5 pounds. It has 4 wicks and a burn time of 150 hours. Holy moly. I'm telling you, I've never had a candle so big before. I love it. And the other like design is really, really pretty too. So instead of like this chocolatey brown color, it's more of like, I think like a mauvish light brown tone. So again, it just depends on which scent. They all are in the description box to tell you what all of the notes are. So you can click on each one and see. For this one right here, it is normally retail values for $170 and it is on sale right now for $99. And again, you can use my code to save $35 off if you are interested. I am so excited. Now, if the $35 doesn't work on this one, I do have a different code that they gave me originally, which was SheCrafty 15 for 15% off. So if you want to try that one out, if it doesn't work on the candle, I know the 35 will definitely work on the roses, but I'm not quite sure if it works on the candle. So you can try it. If not, you can use the SheCrafty 15 for 15% off. And I have never in my life had a candle so big, you guys. Like, I can't get over how big this thing is. I don't know. This thing is just huge. Like, I'm super impressed. Oh my gosh, I'm so impressed by that candle. Okay, you guys, time for a little update on this amazing looking candle. Now, one thing I do want to say is I'm only going to speak on this one in particular, so I don't know if it's just the scent or if it's just this specific candle that I received, but I am not smelling anything at all. I don't know if maybe my top notes are missing the notes and I'm going to pick back up in the middle. I'm not sure. I will update you in the description box as I go because I absolutely love this container and I want to reuse it for something else. So I do want to burn it all away so I can use the container. So again, I will update you in the description box as I go if I do smell anything later. However, today it has been burning for 8 consecutive hours. Again, it looks amazing, but neither myself or my man can smell anything at all. And he has a great smelling nose. He smells things from a mile away and he cannot smell anything at all. Even if you put your whole nose up in it, all up close and personal, still no scent at all. Their roses, oh my gosh, I highly recommend. I will say that a million times over again. Their roses are absolutely amazing. But for this candle, you guys, I just have to tell you, I don't smell a thing. Okay, so not giving up hope just yet. I wanted to start my day off today. Air purifier has been completely off since yesterday. I started this candle at 7 a.m. Right now, it is almost 1 p.m. in the afternoon, so it has been burning for several hours. And again, neither myself or my man can smell anything. But I just had to tell you my truth because if I spent $100 on this candle for myself or for a gift and I couldn't smell anything while it was burning, I would be extremely upset. So I definitely want you to know for this candle in particular anyway, I have no scent coming out of this candle and it's been burning 2 days straight, several hours at a time, and I'm still waiting. So let's go ahead and dive into this one. This one, however, is going to be a blue set. I have never got blue, but I'm going to replace this bear right here with this. So this is what you're gonna now see in my background, and I'm super excited. Plus, like I said, Rose Forever New York has been on my channel for now over 4 years. I completely trust and love this company. So they are definitely going to be in my background. Let me tell you, with these blue roses, I'm so excited. So right on top, it does have a care instruction card, and it says care instructions, how to protect your preserved flowers. Your Rose Forever flowers are real. If you take care of them a little, they will stay beautiful like on the first day for many years. Please don't water the roses or treat them with any aftercare products. Please avoid touching the petals as that could affect their lifespan. Ideally, keep them away from direct light. If dust collects after a few months, you can simply brush it away with a soft brush to gently brush off the dust. Thank you for your trust, and we hope that you enjoy them as we do. So that is that. Again, you do not water them. Do not put them in direct sunlight. You don't do anything but enjoy them. That is the simplest thing that you can do. The simplest thing that you can do. So let's get this arrangement out. And this is also in a different box. Like, the container is something that I've never received before either. So I'm really excited to show you guys this. It's super, super light. They're not heavy whatsoever, and they don't have to have air. So if it is for a gift, you can just wrap it up, leave them in the box. You don't have to worry about getting them air, making them breathe. They're perfectly fine in the box while you're waiting to gift them. But look at this marble box, you guys. So it has their logo, Rose Forever New York. So it's the white marble. It has like the darker gray kind of color through it. They also have, I think, the black. So instead of it predominantly white, the other one would be predominantly black, but it would be in the same marble look. So you do have your box here, and you guys, look at that. Oh my gosh, that is a beautiful color. Plus, I thought this color blue would look so much better with that, with the butterfly than the teal and the blue. I just think this is going to look so much better sitting here. Oh my gosh, look at those roses, you guys. Now, I know some people say they smell them. Like, I don't normally smell the roses when they first come like this. Sometimes I get like a pickup of a little scent of kind of like a glue or an adhesive kind of smell. Just, I think that's what they maybe use to preserve them or something, or maybe it's just the cardboard box that I'm smelling. After you set it out, that smell goes away, and then I normally don't smell anything at all on them once it sits out for a few days. So this one here, again, I'm gonna set outright like this, sitting on that shelf. Oh my gosh. But you can leave them upright. You can set them like this on a shelf. You can do whatever you would like. And then here's the lid. We'll prop it up and brings it up a hair as well. Gives it a little bit more height. But look at you guys. Oh my gosh, I love them. Oh my gosh, I love those colors. Okay, so what I like to do is pull a leaf out so you can hear how it sounds when you pull it apart, so you can understand these are really real roses here. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so I always never know where to find, grab my fingers and pull something out. Just pull one out, Tracy. So I'm gonna just go ahead and grab one from right here. Rock it a little back and forth, kind of cover my little hole. Okay, so you ready to listen? Watch this. Sounds just like you're pulling apart like a fresh rose, like you picked it off the bush and you pull the petal off. That's how crisp and new this sounds. Like, again, I don't really smell anything. I don't. These are perfectly preserved, beautiful, guaranteed to last 1 year. But again, my others are 4+ years, so they will last you a very, very long time. Plus, when you go to actually, I used to own a flower shop when I was younger, when I was 19, if you're newer here and you don't know. And I know the struggle with flowers and keeping them alive, and they don't last long. And it's just, it got to the point where after I sold my flower shop, I didn't even want people to get me flowers because I know they're just going to die. And it's just kind of like a waste. I'm like, this is not a waste, because you get to enjoy them for a very, like, literally, you get to enjoy these for years. What other roses or flowers do you get that you can literally enjoy them for a month, let alone years? Rose Forever New York. That's where. This particular set here, if you just would like to know, I know I'm going to be showing you everything from their site on the side. Oh, they also have an actual arrangement in a vase now, which is super, super exciting. It comes so far right now in red and white. It's a three roses in it. So the roses are these exact preserved roses, but just the greenery that is in them is artificial, just so it can look like it's a real rose in a vase. But that's really, really neat that they now have them in a vase. So if you wanted to do just like a vase instead of in one of these, they have that option now as well. So this is the blue roses in the marble 36 count. So there's 36 roses here It retail values for $519. It's currently on sale for $269, and $35 can come off of that with SheCrafty 35 if you're interested. They also do several different colors this size, and they have them in smaller all the way down. So anything you want to check out, you can check out their site and see everything that they have to offer. All of the different arrangements, the different sizes, the different styles, the different colors, and now the candles, that large and in charge candle, you guys. Oh my goodness. So now let me do a little update. For you. This one right here is my lavender set, but just a few of them on the outside has like a little pieces, little piece that came off. But again, they look absolutely gorgeous. I mean, look down inside. They still look beautiful. I love looking at them every single day, just sitting there. This one is sit outright. 4 years and counting, you guys. 4 years and counting. Living proof. And if you want a little pull of these, okay, so now you can hear a 4+ year old one. Still sounds just as crisp as the other one, and it's again over 4 years old, you guys. So they have small ones, they have medium size, they have these large ones. They did send me this in yellow if you watched that review. So I have the same size in my kitchen in yellow, but oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. So yes, this is where it's going, right behind me. And I absolutely love that. Let me go ahead and put this behind me so you can see how it's going to look. I'm so excited. See, I might bring my little hoochie things back up more because for the bear, I had to lower them. So I might bring these up just a hair so there's not so much space here, or I could use that space and put something there if I wanted to. But those are absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love them. What do you guys think of the blue that I chose? Comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. If you do want to check them out, I will have them linked down below, and that SheCrafty 35 will get you $35 off, or I know the SheCrafty 15 is 15% off. That's my old code. So you have those two different options if you like to try them, see which one works for you. If you would like to check out other discount codes, know more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. So that is now everything for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.